In this video, I will be showing you guys how to replace iPhone 8 Plus LCD. The first step, open the bottom two screws. And the touch does not work on this phone, so that's not opening. Let's see what's causing it. The next step was to go in between the LCD and the frame. Don't go more than this. Once you reach this much, just since the touch is not working, to turn it off, I'll just open it. The next step is to unscrew 4 screws on first plate. The bottom plate, which is holding the battery connector. Our main target is to disconnect the battery connector. Looks like I have put the wrong screw in here, so we have to use a different screwdriver for that one, but it's okay. Now, unplug the battery. Oops, unplug the battery. The second one is the battery. Let's connect this one back. Okay. We're good. We'll connect it in a little bit, no worries. Let's just disconnect everything. Now let's disconnect the screw that was stuck. I'll just pull it. Now let's make sure there's nothing, no screw or nothing is there. I just found another screw over here. Because those screws can cause harm when you try to close the LCD, the new LCD, since there won't be any space to press it, it'll break. So now we will unscrew these 6. Actually, there's 5 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pick this up, then pick it up. Then now take the metal thing and go underneath this. Once you do that, okay, this part is already out, then you can just go like this. Now, this is the part we need. The next step is the home button. Most important thing, because it's really easy to cut the ribbon, the flex cable on the home button actually. So, first thing, this thing, just want to unclip it. Second step, you want to press firmly down, like you just want to go deep in the skin underneath. You want to scrape the bottom part, but you want to make sure you don't do nothing to the home button. Perfect. So it's okay to apply pressure right here, but you don't want to cut anything in the cable. If you do, even if you get a replacement button, the replacement button will still, the thumb fingerprint will not work. Now our replacement screen. The replacement screen costs about $18. That's a 8 Plus. If you do buy a screen from eBay or Amazon, make sure you buy one with a faceplate, with a back plate, so you don't have to remove the one from the other one and put it here. Take this, now switch it. Align it and clip it. One step at a time. We'll go ahead and Well, that was the wrong screw. We don't need that. As long as you have this screw and one extra one, you'll be okay. Now the next step, as you can see on this, there's the gold part. It have two holes in the bottom, and you align those, one hole over there and the other one here, then clip it on. Now pick up this, make sure the gold on this hits the other gold, so that's how you know which way to put it. Once you do that, gently insert the rest of the stuff, and this is a little bit bent, but it's okay, not a big deal. The customer brought it for a screen repair, and that's what we will do. Everything else is mentioned to be working. Now you connect the bottom two screws. Put the rest of the screws, and that's it.